Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, it's your girl Rita, and I am so thrilled to have you here today. So today I am going to be showing you how to achieve a low slick ponytail on your 4C hair. If you want to see that, then stick around and go nowhere. So first I want to do something beautiful in front, so I'm going to put a section of that hair aside and I'll put the remaining part of my hair in a low puff. Basically, I'll just hold it with a band. Now, if you haven't seen my Heatless stretch out video, then I'll link it to this one. Feel free to check that out because my hair in this video is completely stretched out and moisturized. So remember to do that, okay? Now I'm just spraying a little water around my hair. I'm going to apply gel on my hair and I use the Eco Styler gel. There's a different way to do this, but that is quite time consuming, so I prefer to just go straight to the point and use this method. Definitely put in some water. Guys, my hair is highly moisturized, so just watch and see the products come alive. Like everything in my hair is about to come alive. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also check out my other videos, drop your girl a comment and click that bell button so that you're notified whenever I have a new video out. So I'm just going to keep doing this until I am done with this section. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to wrap this over the band that I used to hold my hair. I'll just tuck that in. Now to the ends of my hair, spraying some water and then put that in a braid. Yo, if you guys are wondering why I always wear black while I'm making my hair, this is why. It can get stained, it can get stuff on it, just so many things. So this is the extension I'm going to be using. I got this from Shay's Hair. I'm going to put a link in my description box. Feel free to check them out. And I've had this bundle for years, so it goes without saying, right? I'm just going to put this below my braid, which I wrapped around. Sorry, I lost the clip, so you cannot see what I'm doing behind. But I'll protect the end of the bundle with a bobby pin. Then I'll just keep wrapping that around my hair until I have exhausted the whole bundle. Okay, so now you can see what I'm doing from behind. Yeah, so I just keep going. Then I also secure that with another bobby pin and we are done, guys. That's it. That's all. Like nothing more. It's not time consuming. You don't gotta waste time doing this, just straight to the point. So to get all the strands of my hair laid down, I'm just going to put a scarf around it until it dries. So as you can see, my hair is dried and all the strands are laid down and it's flat and beautiful. My edges are laid down, the back of my hair is laid down, and we are good to go. I'm just going to go ahead and put some hair accessories to that to beautify it, and we're good to go. Let's go partying. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Drop your girl a comment, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and of course share with family and friends. And yeah, click that bell button so that you're notified whenever I have a new video out. Thank you. I remain Rita, and you remain colorfully blessed. Bye.